welcome to my Makerspace Bootstrap series. Today I'm going to unbox a package that got delivered on May today. So I actually forgot what I bought. I think it's a router, but let's see what's in here. So the first thing to notice is that it's actually damaged here. So I hope the contents hasn't been damaged. So, but let's see about that. So yeah, not a problem. It's well packed. So yeah, it's the Makita router that I ordered from this online store. We have the instruction manual. Oh, this is the exciting part. Will I get a Swedish power cord or will I get a European one? Oh, I got a Swedish one. Great. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, and it's everything that I expected. I choose this one because I wanted the simple and sturdy body that I can replace. And all the newer routers, they have this fancy design that they have electric connectors on the outside, and I like this one because it was well known, been around for a long time, and it's very clean and easy to use. So perhaps I can even use this motor for other stuff later on. So we seem to get the I don't know what it's called in English, and so it's very simple. So what's more in the box? We have the dust extraction. That's actually another of my criteria when I chose. I want good dust extraction on my power tools. So, and this came with it. So that's good. Great. And what's more in here? Yeah, we have the, what's this called in English? It's you mount it on the router so that you can keep a distance to well, a fence or something. So I needed that too. And then some wrenches to assemble this. So let's open this up. Okay, so we have a small wrench and a larger one. I suppose, I guess this is for exchanging the router bits in the router. And this is a centering piece, I think, to, well, yeah, so it's no, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I need this when I... Yeah, okay, let's read the manual and see what that is. Okay, so that's in the package. Let's put this to test. So, here we have the Makita RT0700C RT0700C unpacked. And again, we have the manual, we have the router itself with its routing body, or whatever this bottom one is called. We have the dust extraction, we have the wrenches to change router bits, and we have this, which I don't know what's called in English, to mount and keep a distance, to feed the router to a distance to some railing or something. And I actually, I was a bit worried, but I got a Swedish power connector, so because I ordered this from Spain, the company, online company, Wellingdal is a Spanish company, so I didn't know if I got what kind of plug I would get there, but I knew it was a 240 volts router, so if I got the wrong one here, I could change it. So let's try to assemble this now. So I can't show you any routing with this, because this is a very bare delivery. There's no router bits in here. There's no plunge base, only this fixed base. But I got exactly what I needed. So let's see if I can mount this dust extraction on here. Try to do this without reading the manual. So there's actually two knobs here, a knob here and a hole there. So that's a clue. Yes, it's going to go like that. Yeah. And then we just screw this in there. That was a strange design. I don't know if you can see that, but the screw is far too long. But I suppose it has room there, so it's not a problem, but kind of strange. So this also came with it. I don't know what it is. Could be a collet replacement. Comes with something that looks like a, well, I don't know, it's the 6mm collet. I have to check that. When I ordered it, I ensured that it took the larger collets. So yeah, maybe that's, yeah, I think that's the replacement for larger collets. Oops. Yeah, so this is the smaller one. Yeah, so now I can mount larger collets there. Great. And as I suspected, these are the wrenches to tighten this. So this is great. I will check later if these are standard wrenches, so if I lose them I can use something else. Just fasten this because I'm going to start this and at least listen to the sound level. Okay, this actually feels very sturdy. I don't know if I can trust this guide here, but it actually shows the adjustment both in inches and in millimeters. So as a Swede, a Scandinavian, I like the metric system, so that's good. Okay, so then I'm not going to use this for now, and I don't use the small collet, and I won't be using this centering piece for now. So let's plug this in and listen to what it sounds like. I don't like power tools that make a lot of noise, so although I'm trying to go for the most don't go for the most expensive tools, I actually prioritize tools that are power efficient and don't make a lot of noise also. So that's on. This is not on, so I can plug this in. And let's go for the lowest speed right now and listen to this. Oh, this is great. This is great. Of course, the noise is going to come from the routing bit when I do the work, but still, it's good that the motor itself is so quiet. So let's go up in speed here. It's not too bad. It's quite loud, of course, but what can you expect? Okay, I think I got exactly what I asked for, and so far I'm very pleased. It's compact, it's very sturdy built, it's not some extra equipment. I just needed this for now, and the motor is very compact and clean, and I can probably mount this in homemade jigs and so on later on, and that was exactly what I aimed for. So I'm just going to put this aside for now and wait for the opportunity to actually use it in a project, and I hope that is coming soon. Okay, so that was that. The unboxing of the Makita RT0700C. Bought it online from the Swedish online shop Bellingdal, and I got exactly what I wanted. A sturdy router, not too big, something to start with to see if routing is my thing. So thank you for watching. See you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.